Hi there, how are you? Hope you are fine and healthy. Myself Ankush, and I'm a Red Certified System Engineer and Red Certified System Admin in Cosmipet. Here I provide trainings on certification oriented training on RSCSA, RHC, and also on Ansible. So, in this session, I'm back again with a new video where I'm going to show you how you can break your root password. So, sometime we need to break our root password. So, how you can break the root password and how many steps you have to follow and how you can also protect your root password means nobody can break your root password, how you can go through this. So in this session all things I'm going to discuss, so without wasting any further time let me start. So here you can see this is my CentOS 8. So in this system I'll show you how you can break your root password. So first of all I'm going to restart my system, and when your system is restarting you have to press and the up and down arrow key inside your system, up and down arrow key and pressing it. So your this page is called as grub page. This grub in this grub page you have to pause your kernel loading. So as I have stopped here, now you select the kernel, and the next step is you don't need to remember. You can see at the end there's a press E to edit the selected item. So press E. Now this page will come. Here you have to write down something so we can stop our kernel loading before it is going to boot up. Okay, so what I'm going to write here, same thing you have to write. After the RSGB quiet you have to write rd dot break space console equal to tty1. So this is very important, rd dot break and console equal to tty1. So the kernel loading will be paused and we can do some changes here. So after that, when you have written this, now you have to press Ctrl X. You can see at the end it is written also. So press Ctrl X to start. So I am pressing Ctrl X, and now see what happens. Okay, my system is taking some time. Okay, wait for that. I think soon it will come up. Yeah, it is coming. Yeah, it came. So switch root mode, it is called as ch root mode, and here I have to do some configuration change. What I'm going to do, same thing you have to do. So mount hyphen o remount comma read write and sys. So I did it. After that you have to run a command, that is chroot slash sys root. Okay, now you will get the shell prompt. Here you have to break the root password. Normally how we provide a password, you can use passwd command, or else if you want to see what you are typing you can apply passwd hyphen hyphen stdin then root. So you can watch your password and you don't need to type your password two times, only one time is enough. So now I'm going to provide the password as Ankush. Okay, I have given, pressed enter. Now you can see password, all authentication token updated successfully. I have broke my password. Okay, that's fine, but the one problem is there. The problem is the password is going to be saved on the shadow file, right? And what the changes I have made here, what the change I have made here, that that file is saved but the context is not changed. So I have to relabel the context again. So there's two options how you can relabel your context. One is touch dot slash dot auto relabel, but sometimes what happens using the auto relabel, people do mistake in the spelling. So better if you use another command, fix files on boot. In many videos in YouTube you can watch that they are following another method, that is touch slash dot auto auto relabel, relabel. So I'm also doing the same mistakes. Okay, so you have to ignore that. You can use the best thing, that is command fix files on boot. Okay, this command will do the auto relabel part by itself. You don't need to worry about anything. Okay, on the very next boot it is going to relabel the whole thing. Okay, and also after that you need to exit and exit. So your system will boot up right now again, and now auto relabel process will be also done. Then you can log in with the new password. Okay, that's all about how you can break your password. And now relabel processing is going to be done. It may take some time. If your disk size is very large, then it can take more time. Okay, so That's very important. Yeah, it will take some time, so wait for that. So you can see here my system is rebooted. Now it is again loading. So after that, we can log in with a new password. Okay, just wait. My system is very slow. That's why it is taking time. So friends, you can see here my system successfully came up, and now I can log in with the new password. So root is the username and the password I have set, that is Ankush. So I am successfully logging in. You can see password successfully matched. Okay, so that is how you can break your password. But if sometime you want not to break the password, so you have to set a grub password. How you can set the grub password? So let me show you in this session. Okay, it's just too slow. So friends, you can see my system successfully logged in, and now I'm going to show you how you can secure your password breaking process. Okay, so how we can do in Railite or in CentOS 8, they have brought a new command, and this command is very helpful to set a password in your Grub loading page. Okay, so how can I do the command is grub to hyphen set password. Okay, and give the password. I'm giving the password red hat and red hat. I have said. Now if you reboot your system, so let me show you how it is going to stop the password breaking process. Okay, system is rebooting, so I have to again stop in the kernel loading page. Okay, here if you press E right now, it will ask you the username and password. Until you provide the username and password, it is not going to uh, give the prompt where you can edit anything, right? I have written the rd.break and console equal to ty1. So that part you cannot do if you have not provided the proper user id and password. The user here is root and the password is I have set red hat. So when I have given, now it is coming. Okay, so that is the security of the password breaking you can do. Okay, that's all about today. Again, if you press Ctrl X, your system will reboot. I hope you understood how to break a password and how to secure your password breaking. Okay, so I'll again come up with a new videos. So up to then, be updated, stay healthy, take care of yourself. Bye bye.